Hi, I'm John from HobbyJohnDo. A quick channel update. This month you'll see a bit more cooking on the channel and I want to explain why. As some of you know, this channel is all about making things, creating, crafting, and cooking has always been a big part of that for me too. Right now it's winter, it's cold, and my garage is not always the most friendly place to work. So I've been leaning into something that's just as creative, just a lot cozier. Cooking and baking. Cooking is not just about food to me, it's experimenting, sharing, learning and creating something that you can enjoy together. And honestly, my family has to eat too. So this is one of those hobbies that fits perfect right now. That said, crafting, woodworking and projects are not going anywhere. I already have several craft videos planned and in progress for February. And the next month is going to be very focused on making things again. So think of this as a seasonal shift and not a direction change. This channel is about creative hobbies, whether that's in the garden, the garage or in the kitchen. Let me know in the comments if you're more a maker, a cook or a bit of both. Thanks for being here and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!